Hello together. Welcome to Rafael Cooking Style channel, your cooking channel. So, did you see what I bring to you today? This delicious omelette with some carrot, cheese, spinach. So, we will start with some oil and the first layer of egg with salt and pepper. And now we are gonna add some pre-washed spinach, of course. Pre-wash is very important for all our veggies. As much as you want. Spinach, they will reduce a lot. So now we got some grated carrots. I have one carrot here actually, not a medium-sized one. Now I have some Venezuelan grated white cheese. This you can use some mozzarella, some Gouda, the cheese you like, yeah. Just we're gonna finish it up with I got 3 eggs on top and 2 eggs on the bottom. Just some eggs with salt and pepper. If salt, you have to be careful. Remember, you're working with cheese, so cheese always is a little bit salty. So you have to play with it, yeah. So you just smash it a little bit that everything gets set. After you are able to turn it, so look, it's easy to be turned, and we are doing it half of it, yeah. And then we just leave it, cook it a little bit. Just continue to cook it as the middle. Remember, we add some eggs on top. So now we are just gonna turn it the other way a few minutes more, and then we just need to wait a little bit that is cooked. Look, we have on the top a little bit of still raw egg. So, but now it will get very easily. So, and now we're ready. Look, I hope you like it. If you do, please hit the like button. Leave your feedback. If you have any question, please just write it on the comment box. Yeah, look, very nice breakfast. I know you will like it, and just give it a try. So enjoy it together. Bye bye. Cheers.